You know when you're watching a movie or a game and the character is going through a bunch of different environments and you zoom out in a way and you sort of watch them travel through their own journey? I've always loved what music can do in those moments to capture that feeling and that scope of an adventure. And in today's episode of Composing a Dark Fantasy Album in Real Time, that's exactly what I'm working on. There's a bunch of story components I'm developing, which I'll talk about soon, but for now, I just want to share that process and what that looks like. And what's really cool about this track is it evolved from a single note. You'll see a violin note in the beginning that stems the entire piece, which is kind of like how a journey starts for characters. So hope you enjoy it. If you do, leave a like, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one. That's kind of better. Can I automate? Let's see. I could latch it. Yeah, let's try it. save this? Oh, geez. Maybe like Shrek opening credits? I don't know. Something like that. Where was the snare drum that we did? That's it for this video. Now, if you want some creative inspiration for your own projects, then definitely check out my free weekly newsletter. I've got it linked in the description, and every week I'll send you something cool to keep you inspired on your journey. That's it. Talk soon.